Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. We got real cold, -10 and about 5 mile an hour full value wind. And we're gonna do some shooting. I just shot the Let It Snow challenge, but now let's see how this new Savage Mark II shoots with Standard Plus. We're gonna shoot a few groups at 50 yards just to get a baseline, and we'll go from there. Let's get the shooting, guys. Well, as from the Day at the Range challenge, this rifle seems like it wants to shoot. So let's start getting some rounds down range at 50 yards just to see how it groups. So we'll do 3 or 4 5-shot groups, and then we'll do a few 10s. As you can see, it's very cold out. I have my sunshade up here just so I can not get glare on the chronograph, since we're going to be getting some chronograph values for you guys. So that's why that's the way it is. So we'll start off with 2 5-round groups. And I gotta put these gloves back on. It's so cold. My hands are just freezing. It's not gonna do much, but it's better than nothing. Hope you guys like that little Let It Snow challenge here. I still have a target out because I figured I'd get one more quick video in today. So here we go, 50 yards. Top left. Here we go. This scope is garbage, but it's holding a 0, so we're good there. And this thing seems to shoot. I can't believe it. Ooh. I think I pulled that one. I'm not gonna say that was rifle yet. Maybe it was the rifle. But it's definitely shooting. Can't go wrong with that. It's a standard velocity, like the cheapest decent ammo you can get. What is going on? You can see where the price cut costs are, and like manufacturing, obviously, because this thing is pretty rough compared to like the CZ or any of my other rifles. It's a little rough. Let's try to get back centered here. All right, target number 2. We'll go top, middle. Yeah, bolt open and close on this thing is rough. Still favoring right on the target. All right, there's 2 5-shot groups. Let's do a 10-shot group. See how a 10 goes. All right, first 10-shot group will be top right target now. Here we go. Ooh, that was way left. I have a feeling it's the optic. Well, I see a big ragged hole, but I think we had a few flyers and stuff too, which is to be expected with CCI. Want to do another 10-shot group. We'll do target right below that one. Ooh, I saw that one fly off. I don't know if that's wind or what the hell is going on now. But they're all going back left again. Yeah, it's opening up now. And I guess we didn't have a full mag there. 7 shots. And let's load up another couple mags quickly and get a couple more groups in before it is kind of windy too, so it's not the greatest day to do this. But hey, shooting is shooting. Still getting trigger time. We got a new rifle. We gotta test some ammo now. But I'm very impressed of how well it shoots, but the actions quality and the bolt smoothness and all that is not very good compared to the other rifles that you're used to seeing on this channel. But I promised you guys I'd get something a little less expensive, and this is what we got. It's more like everyday kind of rifle, and it is pretty nice actually though. I'm just wondering if the action's gonna get a little slicker once we get some rounds down range and lots of cycling of the bolt. I also noticed on the bolt, it's the firing pin's kind of like the same design as the CZ457, which allows you to dry fire it. So if you want to get some practice dry firing, this is a good rifle to do it on for sure. So you're not going to wreck your bolt, your firing pin, or your barrel by doing it, because there's a big flat spot in the top of the bolt that will hit the edge of the barrel, and you won't peen or ding your chamber entrance like you would maybe on a Bergara. It's just a round firing pin, and that could possibly do some damage dry firing that. So I don't tend to do that very much, but with center fire rifles, I know if you want to get used to it, you just do a lot of dry firing, get used to the trigger, get used to cycling the action, and then it helps you out big time for target shooting anyways. And basically it should be something that everyone does more often. You get a little bit of dry fire practice. It's a lot cheaper than shooting actual rounds too, especially on center fires. But we have a 10 round mag loaded up, so let's do a 10-shot group on the far left middle target. Here we go. We're starting to open up our groups here. Well, starting to open up a bit. So we'll do, I guess we have 4 targets left. We'll do 2 5s and 1 more 10. Actually, we'll just fill this target up. So we'll do 4 more 5-shot groups. Here we go. Middle target. Right there. Ooh. Saw that one. All right. This mag stuck. Okay, another 5-shot group coming right up. Bottom left. Yeah, they're opening up a lot now. Okay, well, gotta remember after all this is standard velocity. Can't expect match grade accuracy with this stuff, but definitely awesome plinking ammo. Okay, here we go. Middle, bottom row. Got sun out of my eye. All right, last 5-shot group, bottom left. Ooh. Well, there we have it. Hope you guys like this new little, more inexpensive rifle for the channel. Yeah, I think I need some new glass for sure. This thing is terrible, but it's the only thing I had lying around. It's getting expensive here buying glass for all these rifles I got, so yeah, that's the plan, is get out and shoot more. So please hit the like button, comment down below what ammo you want me to test in this thing next, and we have about 250 yards available, so anywhere in that range I'm willing to test it. Did pretty good at 50, not exceptional by any means, but reasonable. This is a inexpensive rifle after all, and bottom of the bucket, like crappy scope. Hunt, like, don't recommend it. I think it was like 150 bucks I wasted on it. So yeah, we'll have to get something a little better on this rifle, and then we'll take it out to a little bit longer range as well. Well, let's go take a look at the target and measure up the group, see how we did, and then we'll wrap this video up. And here we have the results from our 50-yard test. We had one really small group under a ½ inch, so that's what you want to see for sure at 50 yards. But and then we had one really bad one, so over an inch, 2 MOA, 50 yards, not great at all. And then 10 shot groups around an inch. So we had our best group of 0.46, our worst group of 1.1. Our average is 3/4 inch or 1.48 MOA. So that's 50 yards with the conditions you saw, -10 degrees, Savage Mark II, BTV with standard velocity. There's the results. Let's get back to the video. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see y'all next week. Take care. Bye for now.